divisible. Ang important o epekto ng divisible by 12, bakit siya questionable? It's because the maximum number of votes that you are allowed to vote is 12. So, kung divisible by 12 yung 16,801,212 divided by 12 equals 1,400,101. Hindi siya overvote. Hindi siya overvote. Kasi hindi siya lumagpas sa maximum number of allowable votes. Kung divisible by 13, okay, we will accept it. Kasi lumagpas ka na sa 13. Kung divisible exactly by 12, ibig sabihin lahat ng balota na binilang mo, 12 ang boto. Tapos, in-overvote mo. Ang epekto nun, nabawasan ng boto yung mga kandidato na binoto dyan sa 16,801,212. To that extent, hindi na bilang ang boto nila kasi na-overvote. When you say overvote, you voted more than 12. Therefore, nobody gets a vote. Wala magbibigyan ng boto. Kahit pa, for example, ito balota, 13 ang shade. Hindi alam ng makina alin ang 13th shade dyan. Kaya in-overvote niya lahat. When you say overvote, walang bibigyan ng boto sa 13 na yun. So, ang question is, maximum ang 12, divisible by 12, hindi dapat ito overvote. At kung in-overvote ito ng makina, to that extent, boto ko ng mga senatorial candidates na hindi nabilang. That's the effect. Ano po yung epekto?
So, wala po siyang epekto doon sa ibang kandidato down to senators.
Yes. Wala itong epekto doon sa member, House of Representatives. Ito doon ako, divisible also. Wala itong, magkaiba kasi ito sir. Ito, Senator Philippines, ito lang ang pinag-usapan natin. Wala nang ibang paraan. Kundi buksan natin ang balota, bilang natin man-man. That's the only solution. To answer this question, kaya pinapa-explain natin ang comment. Otherwise, kung hindi ko na-explain ito, magbukas tayo ng balota. Bilangin uli natin yung 16 million. Bilangin natin, buksan natin lahat ng presito. Kasi lahat ng presito may overvote.
Dami rin.
That's the only way to settle the issue. Kasi kung hindi mo buksan ang comment, gusto namin nga. Saan ka makakakita ng overvote na uniformly divisible by 12 in all places across the country and the final tally? Innocently, pag tinignan mo, parang, 180 divided by 12, 15.
So, sir, yung discovery ninyo ay pwedeng gamitin yan nung ibang mga kandidato sa pagkasenador na basihan para sila ay magprotesta?
Sir, the normal procedure for defeated candidates is to file an election protest. Pero ang protesta na yan is very expensive, very time-consuming, at walang may papanalo at the end of the day. But now, this is not the interest of candidates anymore. Ang sabi ko nga sa mga kandidato, you shut up because you will sound like sound-breaking. It should be the public, tayo, kami, na hindi mga kandidato ang mag-iingay. Because this is our right as much as it is yours. May karapatan ang kandidato na bilangin ang boto niya, tama. But shut up na lang kayo because you would really sound like sound-breaking. Let us do the talking. Kasi ako, si Bishop Nilo, si General Romy, si Captain Ray, si Atty. Mel, si Colonel Cesar, hindi kami mga kandidato. We have no interest except the fact that this is our sovereign right. This is our right of suffrage that must be counted correctly at all times.
So given that discovery of figure, sir, anong plano ninyo? Kasi kayo ang unang nakakita na ngayon lang namin narinig ko yan.
Oh, yes, sir. That's why I invited you because we look at media as our indispensable partner in disseminating information. You are, in a way, the effective channels of communication. Ako, dinormor na ako. 3 months before the elections, he suspended me. Ibabalik daw ako 3 months after the elections to make sure I cannot speak. And that's why, naghanap na lang ako, buti na nahulog ako dito sa United People's Initiative. Mabait ang Diyos.